Hello, my name is CJ, and today's procedure is setting up one-time passcodes on your phone. This is different than prior, as it will no longer be tied to your cell phone number, but will be tied to a authenticator app. First, you have to go to remote.likecore.com and sign in. If you don't know how to, please see the link in the bio for the procedure on how to sign into Remote. Now, you'll have this pop-up. This will be the next step where you'll need your cell phone in order to download the application and scan the QR code. Now that you have your cell phone open, you can just go to the iOS App Store and search Microsoft Authenticator, or Android App Store if you have an Android phone. Either Microsoft Authenticator will work, but also Google Authenticator works as well. As you see, it does have poor reviews, so I do use Microsoft Authenticator. On top of it, I just have a lot of Microsoft accounts, but Google Authenticator will work just as well. And here you just install it. In this case, I'm just updating, but if you haven't downloaded it yet, you will need to download. And once it's installed, you're just going to open it. And as you see, I already have accounts here. Ignore the app lock. That's just a new feature to protect it. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to go add a new account. In the top right, you see that plus button. That is where you'll be adding the account. Pick work or school account. From there, now you need to scan that QR code that's on your computer, and instantly it'll pop up your new account. Here you'll start to see these one-time passcodes generating. They regenerate after a certain amount of time. You see that counter on the left-hand side. As soon as it expires, a new passcode will generate. Now, this is going to be the passcode you're going to be using to enter into Remote on LikeCore's website. As you see, a new passcode is generated. So these regenerate every 30 seconds. And I'm just removing the account because I will not be using Christian's Remote. And real quick, we're just going to do the setup for Google. So just scroll down or search for it. Open the authenticator, I already had it downloaded, and click begin setup and scan barcode. Just like the Microsoft Authenticator, except that the camera, it'll pop up. Now the last step is just to take the one-time passcode we're getting from our Authenticator app and enter it into where it says code. And then you will verify. Now going forward, that pop-up will no longer happen. You will just have a little text field to enter the code, but you will have to pull up the code on the Authenticator app every time. The good news is you don't have to wait for your cell phone anymore in order to do so, and now you are in Remote.